At Comfort Engineers, every successful project begins with one powerful foundation: clarity. Every project enters our system through a defined digital process. In the pre-sales stage for design-build projects, where a BOQ is not available upfront, we begin with concept design and estimation. We add the project, add team members, and develop the design. Based on this, quantities are derived. A BOQ is created internally. We send RFQs, receive offers, and make vendor comparisons. This helps us cost accurately. Once the costing is approved, we enter the cost price and billing price in the system. The techno-commercial offer is submitted. On receiving a client go-ahead, we move the project to execution. Once the client order is received, the target end date is entered, the team executing the project is selected, the client order is uploaded, and the budget is allocated. For BOQ-based projects, the process begins with a final BOQ being shared by the client. Costing is carried out directly based on the BOQ, following which the project proceeds through the same steps of RFQs being floated, offers being received, vendor comparison being created to complete the costing. Once the project is awarded, we move it to execution and upload the client order, select the team members, enter the target end date, and allocate the budget. Moving on to the execution phase. We begin with detailed engineering, planning, scoping, and scheduling. Detailed drawings are prepared. The project is divided into circuits for better management. We list all required materials and services, upload project documents like drawings, calculate and enter design quantities for all materials and services, enter detailed project schedule to meet target end date. From here, the project splits into two parallel workflows: materials procurement and services finalization. For material procurement, vendors are finalized through a systematic process. We generate and send RFQs from the project BOQ for all materials. Vendor comparisons are prepared based on the offers received. Suppliers and materials are then finalized. This is followed by technical data sheets being sent to clients for approval. Material selection. Next, we categorize and select materials, both billable and non-billable, ancillary material, tools, safety gear, and office supplies. In the indenting stage, a material request or indent is raised and approved. Then starts the ordering, where the purchase order is raised, approved, and shared with vendors. Where applicable, materials may be transferred through challenge. Vendors are given a very well-defined set of instructions so that the material is received orderly with the correct set of documents like warranty certificates, test certificates, weight slips, O&M manuals. When materials arrive, the project's team receiving the material checks it for quantity, quality, and complete documentation. In case of any discrepancy, procurement team is immediately alerted to coordinate with the vendors for corrections. Delivery photos are taken, and incoming material reports are created. Vendor invoices are then booked in Promash. And in our accounting software, work begins with daily progress tracking. We click photos of work done, record installed quantities, all in real time. Clients verify and approve the work executed to help us arrive at the measurement quantities. Weekly reports are generated, keeping stakeholders informed. To maximize efficiency and sustainability, unused materials are transferred to the godown or other projects. Let's look at the services workflow. We finalize service vendors for machinery rentals, accommodation, travel, freight, various utilities, and so on. RFQs are sent, offers are compared, and vendors are selected based on quality and value. A work order is raised, approved, and shared with the vendor. Once services are completed, vendor invoices are entered. In the final stage, our system tracks client billing and payments, ensuring efficient financial management and healthy cash flows. CE is redefining project execution. CE, building a better tomorrow.